there's nothing in my hand, right? And 1, 2, 3. How did I do that, right? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back to my channel.
What's up, everybody? This is me, Joshua. Today we're going to be doing our one magic trick, but I will show you something. You see this right here? And 1, 2, 3. It's gone. And there's nothing in my hand, right? And 1, 2, 3. How did I do that, right? So I'll tell you something. This is on here. I was putting a solid tape on here, and I do it like this. And when I do it like this, you can't see it, right? So it's hiding right here. It's hiding, that nobody could see it. Now, so like this and like this. It's kind of broken, the solid tape. So the tape is so bad. This is going to be on my nose, inside my mouth. Okay? 3, 2, 1. It's gone. Oh, it's getting way out there. Weird, right? So I'll tell you something. You gotta hide it right here so nobody can see it. You just do like this. I fake do it, and I do it like this, that nobody could see it. And when I say it's coming out of my ear, I put it like this. 1, look. Fancy just blew it, I think. I was gonna do something like this. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I did it wrong. Fancy could do it weirdest. Because he could do it like this. But I can't. So I'm trying to do it, but I can't. So, and look this. It's gone. And on my hand, I just put it in. What's going on? Gone. Again. And I'll show you a very cool magic trick. I'll do this, okay? I'll move this way. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. It's so pain. Ouch, ouch. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. My hand's there. Again. That's a really cool magic trick, right? And this, you gotta hide it in here. And once you do like that, you just gotta put it like this and do it. There's nothing here, guys. Still nothing. Now, look, you see this right here? How did I do that? I do it like this, and I drop it again like this. I drop it like that. But, and now, could you guys do this? Where's on it? Where is it? Is this the left? And this is the right. That is this the left? This is the right? And this is the left. Left, right. Choose. You choose left. Good. And what do you choose? Left, right?
Right.
And what do you choose?
Right.
Good job. And so, Daddy got wrong. 1. First, I'll do the disappearing one. 1, 2, 3. I'm big! That's all my magic. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.
Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, save, and bye guys.